coming up on this episode.
I might try. Are the Pac-Mans good? Alright, we got that boy Cock on Trend over here. Give him a follow. Cock on Trend, Pack. Riding out with the Fireblade tonight. What you think of the Fireblade?
Bro, that shit is loud as that shit is so loud.
It's loud. The consensus is in. It's loud, everybody. Alright, guys. We're gonna go ahead and ride out to the tunnels. GX6. Oh, I can just smell the oil. Look at this boy. Do some sexy shit. And then pressure clean down. Okay? Give me this out of a sexy on Wednesday. Alright, brother. Yeah! We're gonna have to be. Unless we find something else.
Can y'all hear shit when y'all going in the highway? Like, when y'all going on? Yeah.
We not the influence. We got nigga.
Wait, say it again?
Shit. I don't know why I can't hear shit once I hit above 90 or 80.
With the earplugs?
Yeah, because the influence, I think.
I'll be honest with you, bro. I think it's my exhaust. That shit is way too loud. If you're anywhere even near me, man, that shit's way too loud. It's like.
Nah, but I don't think it's that, bro. I think it's just the wind noise on the helmet. I'm gonna get a new one, bro.
You think it's just the wind noise?
They helped a little bit, but past that.
We've made it to where we need to go. So. Take the bike in there. Just boom. I don't know, I just saw the popo right there. Oh shit, someone spotted us. The Chinatown, I guess.
That's fucking you, bro. That's that crazy girl.
That's not, this is a rider. She
Oh, she right?
bro.
Oh, she right?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going? What's your pitch?
You don't have right?
Oh,
Y'all wouldn't mind taking off your helmet, please?
would we mind? You see me?
It's for our safety.
Really?
What is that for?
We've had a rash of robberies recently.
With the motorcycle helmets?
No, we're just gonna be right here in this area with you, so we're just gonna buy.
It's just super inconvenient. That's the only reason. Look, you can see me. Too good. Go.
Pack brands, vapes,
The vape.
cartridges. Sorry, no, packs.
Oh, but do you have the disposable?
I don't like my shit.
I don't have the disposable for pack.
I might try. Are the Pac-Mans good?
Yeah.
Okay. A sativa would be better, right? For riding?
And make you feel like
Sleepy.
And then
But
There's also hybrid. Is that one, would you recommend that one over the sativa?
It all depends on what effect you're trying to get out of.
Or what would the hybrid kind of do?
So the hybrid's the in between of the sativa kinds of things.
Gotcha. Cool.
Any Vape City location.
Sounds good. Thank you.
No problem. Y'all enjoy your night.
Cheers, man.
Stay safe.
Thank you for being cool about it.
Merry Christmas.
Bro, I just recorded myself on the GoPro buying this shit, bro. Let me just go ahead and post that. We got the boys meeting up, getting acquainted, talking about how much of law-abiding citizens they are.
Nah, because when I want to ride legal, I could just, you know.
I'm recording it, so I didn't like change out the muffler. Yeah, there's something different about it, man. It's not just a car wash. It's just
Buffed it though. I buffed it after the wash.
what is it?
It's carbon fiber.
Delkovich. This boy. Hell, I've never heard of that, but anything with a bitch, bro, it's gonna be a fucking legit, right? Leo Vinci, fucking
It's good as fuck,
a
bro.
proper
Like,
bitch.
and then, I did the
Yes, bro.
sprockets
Yes.
like I
Hey,
told you.
he said you running for cross and shit.
Bro,
Go show him, bro. Go show him. Go impress him a little bit.
I did the sprocket too.
Nah.
Like I said, so I can make it faster.
I know, less teeth, right?
More in the front, so more top end.
More top, bro. But now you have to get it tuned.
Instagram. Great.
that thing looks so sexy, bro.
It's she in, bro. She in it to win it. Blow her kisses, people.
And bro, I was just riding with my boys, and I just got a whole bunch of videos of him wheeling on the highway.
Yo,
Crazy.
carrying that shit balance point. No,
Yeah,
bro.
He was standing up.
Remember the homie that was fucking over here? Just fucking like.
Bro was over here like smoking a cigarette, no hands on the bar.
Yeah.
Like,
Like,
bro, yeah.
like that, bro. I was like, what?
Dude. Yeah.
Oh,
That's
shit.
crazy shit, bro. I don't
Hey, yo, a lot of the Zoomers were here yesterday. We
Uh-huh.
were just chilling. So, here with CBR 500 Mo and it's that boy R1 Kev. So, we're out here in the city looking at our stuff. Alright, I'm gonna switch over to the other mode and see if y'all can hear them.
fuck no. You slipped, bro. You fucking slipped. You start rolling.
Hey, give me my Grom back!
Yeah,
It's a Grom, guys.
yeah, you bro. You could have took off with it.
Wow, crazy. This is second.
Hell nah, man, I'm gonna learn overnight how to hotwire that R1, bro.
Like,
Bro, I was like, bro, just go, bro. Just
Yeah,
chill
like,
here, you
no,
know, like,
yeah,
bro,
I'm good.
You just fucked up my heart, bro.
Oh, wait, I think that's her, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. But
No,
she
the
got a
guy.
different hair.
No, not that. The girl that saw me at Chinatown.
That's what I'm saying. The psycho girl?
No, the Chinatown girl.
still going with the.
Remember the one?
Oh, you think that's the one?
We just need to take him back to cycle gear.
You need to go back to cycle gear, bro. Yeah.
He's all nervous. Nobody's saying anything.
He walks the other way. He does one of those.
He doesn't even look up. He's just.
That's funny. Let's go do it. Chill, try to memorize it. That way next time we have a good thing going. Alright. You guys good? Still have your fairings? Nice. You good too? Alright. Ride safe. I know what it's like. Alright, y'all. What's up? Alright, we're back here. I'm here with Cayman, with the guy in the ZX10, and we are about to roll out. Obviously, you guys saw, so I had to zip tie this so I could make sure we could still do the route. The entire bottom fairing came out, and whatever f***ing portion there. So, not my night, but hey, anything for the ride, so let's get going.